Well, hi there, YouTube. I am getting into a little repair here in my cluttered garage because I've not been able to get everything sorted through just yet. This is my current project. The crank pulley bolt is broken off in the crankshaft, and I have about an 1/8 inch of the bolt sticking out. With one unsuccessful weld attempt under my belt now for welding a nut onto it to retrieve said bolt, I've decided to not deal with this issue at the moment, as I intend to rebuild this motor. On the other hand though, we have this one here, which is currently getting all of the parts from the motor that was on the mower. The mower in question is a 2003 Craftsman GT5000 garden tractor, 50-inch cut. Originally come with a 20 horse, yeah, dead wrong, 22 horse Briggs & Stratton Intech V twin. I do not like the overhead valve design. I've had multiple failures out of the lower cylinder with the exhaust valves on these motors, either due to cam issues or valve guide problems as it is. So I do believe I'm going to stick with my flathead engine. A little more fuel consumption, but a lot better reliability. I have had next to no problem out of these other than that little mess up, and well, that was thanks to yours truly. So we're in the process of swapping ignition coil. Done put the carburetor on. I have new plugs to go in this motor. As you've seen sitting on top of the new one, it is a brand new air filter set up to go in. Done sealed up some oil leaks on this thing. It was not in the prettiest of condition. As a matter of fact, this engine had previously caught fire, so not the best. Now, as for the engine that has said exhaust problem, remove that out of the way. It's the carburetor off the one that's sitting in the mower. Now this, however, is the Briggs & Stratton Intech V twin motor. Not a big fan of these things. And see, this mower's got probably 700 hours on it total, but previous owner did not know how to maintain this thing. As a matter of fact, be careful what shops you go to with these things, folks. If you can't afford to go to a dealer, find somebody that has an actual repair shop, preferably at their home. Usually, if somebody stays at their home with the repair, they are not worried about backlash because they do the job properly. They want the job done right and customer satisfied. Now, of course, you can't satisfy everyone in any business, but these guys are doing their best, and they're not ripping you off when it comes to pricing nor the actual repair. Matter of fact, most of them will even tell you, if you ask, or even without asking, what they have done to fix the issue. Say for instance, the motor that caught fire, the one sitting on my workbench, it burned some wires, it burned a couple hoses, and the whole situation was due to an oil leak. If it hadn't been for the oil leak, then this thing probably would have never been taken off of the mower it was on. But circumstances, it happens. So I will come back and update once this thing is on. I do have to wait till tomorrow to go purchase a new crank bolt for the motor sitting on the workbench so I can get everything set up on it. But as it is, I will come back and update once it's running and do a little video of it running, first start. And yes, I will be changing fluids in it. I do not know how long the oil has been in the motor, and oil's not that expensive for these things. It's not worth taking a chance on something as simple as the lifeblood of your engine causing you a massive failure unnecessarily. And being that these are opposed twin Briggs & Stratton engines, they are very susceptible to low oil level issues, mainly with the upper cylinder. The connecting rod has to be lubricated well enough, and if you don't maintain a high enough oil level in these things, preferably dead on full mark with them, then they will experience rod bearing failure on the crankshaft. And this is not particularly what you want out of something that you're depending on to maintain your yard. Now, yeah, I know with my garage it does not look like I maintain my yard, but yes, I do a much better job at maintaining my yard than this. Unfortunately, with engine repairs and such like that at the moment, I have been unable to really find the time I'm needing to fully sort through my garage and get everything operational as I'm needing it. Questions or comments? Leave them below. If you like it, subscribe. If you want to, hit the like button, whatever. Just enjoy content, please. Hope you do. If you'd like to see something a little different, just let me know. Thank you.